Hey everyone, hope you're all doing well. So today I wanted to actually run through an entire full demo of Ring to Kitchen in action and what you'd actually be getting for your restaurant if you had Ring to Kitchen. Okay, so just front face of the website. Whenever you click sign in, you just put in your username and password. You'll come to the dashboard area. Okay, dashboard area has literally all of your analytics. Every single order that's been made, it has all of those analytics, okay, available. It also has your minutes available. So like whenever you purchase a package with Ring to Kitchen, it's based on you get a certain amount of minutes, okay? So just like the starter plan, you get 500 minutes, usually for like small cafes, single locations, and then professional, that's like 1 to 2 locations. You get 2,000 minutes. Okay, every minute after that is just 29 cents. All right, this is just based on like the averages, really, right? So you'll have like your meter right here. This is just the demo, so it says 100,000 minutes included with Tony's Pizza and Pasta right here. But you'll have all of your analytics. You can click this little button right here, which then takes you to the actual kitchen ordering display, okay? And then when orders come in, this is where they'll actually appear, but you don't actually necessarily need to do that. You can just make connections right here, and then you could connect like your POS system like Square or Clover. Toast is coming soon, okay? Applications submitted for that. I expect that to be done within like the next 30 days. But you can even turn on or off table reservations. So Ring to Kitchen will actually make reservations for you. When you turn it on, you can come inside here and then phone reservations on or off. You can toggle this on or off. You can put in a specific date. It will show all the different reservations that you have. And then reservations are centered around rules, okay? When you update these rules, they automatically sync to your AI agent for your restaurant, okay? So you can put like, maximum party size, 8, okay? Slot size, 30 minutes, all right? Bookings per slot, let's say we wanted only 4. Table time, 90 minutes, okay, just on average. But you can set any kind of rule that you want. When you set those rules, that right there automatically syncs to the agent. And then you have your menu, okay? So really the biggest issue is like how do we feed the data to the AI, right? And so you can import a PDF or even a photo. The AI will analyze that and it will create the menu as you see it right here. And this is completely customizable. So I could put like, for my cheese pizza, let's say it got it wrong or something like that, which it won't, but let's just say you wanted to rename this or something like that. You can do that right here. You can change the price. You can put in like specials. You can add like classic tomato sauce or whatever, mozzarella. No problem, okay? So it will analyze that entire thing, and then like if like someone asks, what are your specials today? Well, then it will show like for example, today is Monday, so I can actually make a call right now, and I'll ask, what are your specials today? And it will say the margarita pizza. And then if I toggle that off and save it, within 1 minute, it will also register that we don't have any specials today, okay? And so that right there is just like the menu, okay? And then you have your calls. So one of the biggest things that you probably want to be able to have is call recordings. You want to be able to make sure that like if someone is angry or mad or whatever, that you have like a recording of the AI. Did the AI get the order correctly? It's 99% accurate. It speaks English, it speaks Spanish, right? It transfers any type of Spanish conversation to the kitchen in English, all right? So it will take care of all of that for you. But this right here is just something that you can have just so you can look back, as well as there is a transcript which should be available. You can download it. Transcript seems to not be here right now. I just kind of need to like do a re-update right there with that. But you'll have a transcript, okay? And then settings, this right here is how you can set your hours of operation, your pickup time. You can edit this, and within 1 minute it syncs to the AI. And then like let's say someone doesn't want to like make an order, they want to speak to a manager, they're angry, they want to inquire about employment, something like that, and they say they want to speak to a manager, you can put a transfer number right there, okay? And it will automatically transfer to that number, okay? Then you have your billing. So like let's say you guys like went over a specific amount of minutes and you wanted to like upgrade to like the next tier or something like that, you can absolutely do that, or it will just automatically just charge you 29 cents for every minute over your cap. Okay. That right there is basically like what you get with the software. But what I want to do is I want to order a pizza and show you that this comes in and show you how easy it is for the chefs to be able to manage this. Okay, so let's just do that right now. Boom, boom.
Thanks for calling Tony's Pizza and Pasta. This call may be recorded. What can I get started for you?
Yeah, hi. Do you have any specials today?
Yes, we do. By the way, today's special is margarita pizza for $12.50. Would you like to order that or something else from the menu?
Yes, I'd like to order the margarita pizza, please. My name's Austin. I can come pick it up right now. That's fine. Thank you.
One moment while I send that to the kitchen. Austin, your order is one margarita pizza for $13.38.
Thanks so
It'll be ready
much.
in about 20. You're welcome, Austin. We'll see you soon. Thanks for calling Tony's.
Okay, so the order comes in just like this. You can start that. You can click done. You can click rush. You can click cancel, no show, whatever. And so when orders come in, it prioritizes them in order. Okay, and like let's say that we start this. Okay, so it's started, and then once we finish it, we can click done, and then it will go to this right here. You can even undo that, go back into the QE, whatever you need. But that right there is how that kind of comes in. You can rush it, so this needs to be rushed. You can cancel that order, no showed, no problem. You can basically do all of that, and that right there syncs with your dashboard data. Okay, so that's going to give you like the analytics and everything. Hope you enjoy this. Let me know if you guys have any questions, and thank you so much.